everyone, today I'm going to be showing you something that I got off TikTok shop, and they are these acrylic paint markers, and they're made by Shuttle Art, and I got the pack with 36 colours in, and they have a brush tip from 1 to 5 millimeters. They are non-toxic and acid free, and they work on most surfaces like paper, glass, ceramic, plastic, wood, metal and canvas. It says to please keep them horizontal and avoid direct sunlight. They're for age 3+ as well. So let's take a little look inside the box. So inside you get this envelope. I'll just put that to the side for a minute. And inside this nice little envelope is all about the markers, how to use them, how to use the storage box that they come in, because that is takes a little bit of getting used to, and a little bit of information about the markers. There's also a free little colouring card there and another one to test your markers on. It comes with a colour swatch sheet with all the numbers already written on in white. Then it comes with a colour swatch sheet with all the numbers written on but in black, because they also work on black. There is a spare black sheet if you want to have a little doodle on, and then also there is this sheet of stickers. I don't know if you can see the little circles on there. So these are the colour stickers. So it says, if you want to see the true ink colour of your marker at a glance, simply colour in this sticker and attach it to the end of the marker. So that's quite handy if you don't have this to hand. So let's take a little look at the box. So this is the storage box, comes with a handle, and in this one with the 36 set there's 3 layers. So the instructions do tell you how to use the box, because you might not have seen one of these before. So you unclip the front clip, and then this top lid will come off like that, and you can get to all of your markers, which are slotted in. To get to the next level you would unclip the next one, and then that will come out. So on the backs of these there's like a little, it's not really a hinge, but it just slots into this groove at the back there. So when you put them back on, put them down so that that little slot goes in, and then clip it at the front. I'll show you with the lid as well. So sort of put it down and slide it and push that way so that it's on, and then clip it, because if it's not slotted in at the back properly, when you go to pick it up it'll all fall to bits and they'll all fall out. So the good thing with this is, if you did buy more, if you only wanted to buy a small set and then you decided that you liked them and you bought some more, there is still the little clip there for more of these to be added on, more of these trays, and they have the little tongue there to go in the groove to clip more of these trays if you want to stack more on. So you can add to your collection as well. So let's have a little look at the actual pens. So I'll take that lid off again. Let's have a look at this one. So these are the pens. You can see the actual ink inside the pen there, which is quite handy. If it is running out, you can see if there's no more ink left. So on this end it's quite flat, so if you wanted to colour in your circle stickers, stick them on the end of the pen. On this end of the pen is the colour name, and the end is also coloured, but it might not be exactly match into the ink, because sometimes they don't when they've dried, because they are just an indication of which pen it is. So it says shake it before use and close the lid after use and put it horizontally flat to store them. So this is the tip. It's a brush tip, and all you have to do is give them a little shake before you use them, and you can hear the ball inside that is mixing the paint, because when they've been sat there the pigment might settle a little bit, so give them a good little mix. But you don't have to pump them like you do with some pens. They should just be ready to go now. And it says they are water based, big volume ink, high pigment, but when they are dry, because they're acrylic, they should be then waterproof. So try not to get the ink on anything you don't want it to be on. So if you're wearing your best clothing, try to get the ink off. If you happen to dip your sleeve in it, like sometimes I do, then wash it off straight away before it dries, because once it's dried it will be then waterproof and it won't come off again. So now what I'm going to do is test all the colours on these colour swatch sheets, and we'll see how they turn out on the white one and on the black one. So they are all the colours that I have tested out on the white sheet and on the black sheet. So here on the white sheet, they only take a couple of seconds to dry really. So there's less mess than using paint. There's an awful lot of control that you have over it with the brush tip in the pen. And these are the colours on the black sheet. So the white sheet is printed on, I don't know if you can see that on the camera, but it's sort of textured a little bit like watercolour paper. And the black sheet is just like really smooth black card. So the colours on the black, because they're on such a dark surface, if you did want them to be more solid, you could do another layer of colour after. So we'll just try that with the white. It's probably the best one for you to be able to see. It shows up quite well, but if you just let that dry for a few minutes, and then you can probably go over it again if you want it to be more of a solid colour. Let's try it with a colour as well as the white. This is the green colour as well. So it should work on any colour if it works on the black and the white. So now that that white one has dried for a few seconds, all I had to do as well to get all the pens working was just give them a quick little shake, and then they're just ready to go. There was no need to pump them to get them going, and then sometimes with the paint markers that you have to pump, you end up with nothing coming out at first and then suddenly a great big load of ink that you didn't want, that you don't know what to do with. So you don't have any of that with these. They're just ready to go, and you seem to always be in control of the paint coming out. So there is a second layer of the white. As you can see, that is now more solid coloured, and a second layer of the green. And if you want it even more intense, you could do a third layer as well if you wanted to. So I think they're a nice little set to get you started if you haven't had any acrylic markers before and you didn't know which ones to get. And also Christmas is coming, so that would be a nice little gift as well for someone. I really like that it comes with the colour swatch sheets on the 2 different colours of paper as well, with the numbers all written on, so I didn't have to bother making one of these sheets, so I did like that. And it's nice that it comes with these little extra things to have a go at colouring with, so it would make a really nice gift for someone as well for Christmas, because it comes in the nice little storage box. I think it's really nicely presented. So thank you for watching, and I will see you all next time.